Hey, my name is Daly. I'm Seattle, Washington, and this is way more than what I anticipated. And I'm glad you kept on me doing about getting into the VIP. And I finally did it at the last minute. Uh, this is unbelievable. I was a commercial fisherman for many years. An injury uh, sidelined me and pretty much disabled me. So years and years and years of dealing with that, and had a couple of surgeries, and I'm new again, but I'm much older than I was. Started flying drones about 5 years ago. Started off with little cheapo $50 ones and taught myself how to fly. Got into the basics. Have flown recreational. I own two DJIs and two hotels that are two of them are really good high-end drones, and flying nothing but recreational. And I cannot believe that I'm about to make this move. I'm 72 years old now. I'm thinking about getting hold of my nephews because I do believe this is going to take off. And I don't know how much longer I'll be able to stay in it, but I can watch. I'm going to be around long enough to watch this industry explode, literally. Dwayne, Diego, you guys, phenomenal. The information and how you deliver it. Going to be very useful. The tools that you're giving us, I'm blown away. Is not at all what I anticipated or expected. It's pretty exciting. I'm getting a big kick out of this. Reading responses from people in the chat line are cracking me up. And I'm trying to listen to you guys. But anyway, I see a lot of opportunities here in the Northwest. I think the biggest deterrent I'm going to ever have here working in the Seattle area, Washington State, is the rain and timing where and when I got to go someplace. That's going to be the biggest drawback to this whole thing. We rain a lot here. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for this. You have opened my eyes to a lot of things. I am so excited about the marketing program he's going to be explaining. And you just let's go. I've got tons of ideas in my head. Guys, I really appreciate it. Thank you.